Hello students, I wish you all are good at home and practicing your homework. So today we will do something new. So today we will discuss about the subtraction. So look at this question. It is written here. Subtract 5 from 9. So these are one digit number. Yes. So look here I have this is a tens block and these are ones block. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have 10 ones block and one is this is tens block. So we will use these blocks in our question. So look here, as we have to subtract 5 from 9. So how do we write? Do we write like this, 5 upside and downside 9? Like this will we write? No, this is wrong. So listen, we will write bigger number at the top and smaller number at the bottom. Okay, as these are the one digit numbers, so we will write these numbers in the ones column. So I am arranging this. So look at this is ones block is here. So I am writing here 9 upside. Why 9 is at the top? Because 9 is a bigger number and 5 will be written in the downside like this. Okay, then so look at this question. Here we will subtract 5 from 9. This is sign of minus and this is 9 written there. So first we will take 9 ones blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have taken 9 blocks and we have to subtract 5. Means subtraction means when we take away. Okay, so I am here taking away 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many left? There are only 4 blocks are left. So when we subtract 5 from 9, we will get 4. Okay, like this you can solve. And now we will learn how to make subtraction of two digit numbers. So look here, what is our question? Question is that subtract 45 from 67. So 67 is a two digit number and 45 is also a two digit number. So look here, and in face value and place value we have learned how to write a number in the table. So look here, this is a 45 and this is 67. And read this statement, subtract 45 from 67. So find the bigger number here. Which is bigger number here? 67. So where will 7 go? 7 will go in the ones column. Where will 6 go? 6 will go in the tens column. Right? Where will 5 go? 5 will come in the ones column. And where will 4 go? 4 will come in the tens column. And we have to subtract these numbers. Okay, so look here, how do we subtract this? So we have required 3 tens. This is a tens block. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? These are tens block. 6 I have taken. These are ones block, 7 ones block I will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the 7 ones block are here. So look here, we have to subtract 5 from this 7. So there are 7 blocks are here and we will take 5. I am taking away, subtraction means take away. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have taken 5 blocks from here. So how many left? 2 is left there. So what will come here? 2. Means when we take 5 blocks from 7 blocks, 2 will left, right? Same thing here. There are 4 tens. How many tens are upside? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have counted this earlier. So we have to subtract 4 from the 6. So there are 6 tens block are there. Okay, right? So we will take out 4 blocks, 4 tens block there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have taken out 4 blocks. How many tens block are left? 2. So we will write here 2. It means what will we get when we subtract 45 from 67? We will get 22. So you can also write this question like this: 67 minus 45 equals to 22. Right? Good. Okay, now we will subtract this 27 from 53. So which bigger number here? Bigger number is 53. So we will write bigger number first. Then we will subtract 27. We will write like this. If I talk about in table, how do we write? We will write 53 at the top, and where will we write 27? It will be written in the at the bottom, right? And sign of subtraction sign I am putting here. And look here. Here is what is bigger number here? 53. So I am taking here 5 means 5 tens. So I am taking tens block. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many? 5 tens block I have taken. Right? And how many ones are there? There are 3 ones. 1, 2 and 3. As we have to subtract 7 from 3. Oh, this is very difficult. How do we subtract 7 from 3? If someone has only 3 things, how can he give you 7? So look here. He will miss this number will borrow from this tens, because in this 10. Okay, look at this. I told you that, isn't it? This is a tens block, right? Okay, this is a tens block. So now tell which block is this? This is also tens block. And now we will count here how many ones block are there. So look here. This is a tens block, and we can break this tens block. Means in one tens block there are 10 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Means there are 10 ones block. Means we can break tens block like this. So look here. Look at this. I told you this means 5 tens block are here, and there is 3 ones block. But we have to take away 7 from these 3. What will we do? We will borrow from here. Borrowed. Okay. So I am giving this tens will give this ones, this 1 tens. Right. So look here. Now means there will be, now how many there are? There are, this is 10 and 3. It means 13. Okay, 13 are there. If we take out 7 from 13. So look here, I am replacing this tens block. How means we will put here 10 ones block here. Right. So let's look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right. This is a tens block. This is a 10 and 3, 30. And now we will take away 7 from this. So I am taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Means from 13 I have taken away 7. We have taken away 7. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6. What will we write here? 6. As we have taken 1 tens from here, from to this, we have given this tens to this. So how many tens are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. Okay. And from these 4 tens we have to take away how many? We have to take away 2 tens block. So 1 and 2. So how many tens block are left there? There are left 2 tens block, right? So when we subtract 27 from 53, we will get 26, right? I hope you have understood this. So now we will solve questions based on 3 digit. So look here, I have some this is a new block we have. This is a hundreds block, and this is tens block, and this is ones block. And we will show numbers which are written in this means in this column. We will use these blocks. So look here, this is 100. Okay, look at the question. What is your question? Question is 345. We subtract 345 from 847. So now can you tell which number is bigger? And all of you are familiar, all of you know that we will put bigger number at the top and a smaller number at the bottom. So what is the bigger number? Bigger number is 847. So I am writing, where will 7 go? 7 will come in the ones block, right? Where will 4 go? Where 4 will come in the tens block. Where will 8 go? 8 will come in this hundreds column, right? So we have to subtract. 8 is there. This is 8, 4 and 7. In 7 ones means 7 ones. This is 1 ones and 2 ones and 3 ones and 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So look here, this is there are 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tens I have placed here. This is 100 means 8 hundreds. This is a 100, okay? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and the 700, 800. How many? 8 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8 blocks are there. I have placed it 8 blocks. So look here, what is our means which number we have to subtract? We have to subtract 3, 4, 7. So 5 will come here in this, and 4 will come in tens block, in tens column, and where will 3? 3 will come in this hundreds, right? We have to subtract these numbers from this number which is written at the top. So look here, come here once. So there are 7, we have to subtract 5. So we will take away from here 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many left? 2 left. So right here 2 will come here, right? This is done. Come here, 4 is written here and 4 is here. Means we have to take away 4 tens. So these are 4. I am taking all the 4. So look here. How many left here? Nothing. So we'll show here 0. And look here, in this there are 3. There are 8 hundreds block and there is 3. So we have to subtract 3 from this. So we will take away 3 means 3 hundreds block. 1, 2 and 3. I have taken away 3. So now count it, how many blocks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are left. So I am writing here 5. Means when we subtract 3, 4, 5 from 8, 4, 7, we will get 502. Okay, 0 tens is 0, 2 means 502 we will get, right? So look here, we have one more question. The question is that subtract 669 from 843. So now tell which is bigger number here. We know that this is a bigger number and we will write this number at the top. So where will 3 go? 3 will come in this ones. Where will 4 go? 4 will come in this tens. Where will 8 go? 8 will come in this hundreds. Right. So we have to subtract this number 669 from here. So 9 is here and 6 will come here and 6 will come here. We have to subtract this. So how many ones are there? There are 3 ones are there. So I am taking here 3 ones block. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 tens. So I am taking here 4 tens block. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. There is 8. And how many 100 blocks we will write? We will put here. We will put here 800 block. 1. This is 1. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Means 8, 1800s, 800s, 4 tens, these are 4 tens, 3 ones, 3 ones. But look here, what is the problem here? 9 is downside. So can be write like this. 9, can we subtract 3 from 9? Some of you will do like this. 9 minus 3 will come here 6. Do not write like this. This is wrong. Okay? Never subtract your numbers like this. I will tell you what will you do in this condition. So look here. There is 3. But we cannot subtract 9 from these 3. So what will you do? Means what will you do? So here we will borrow from these tens. So these ones will borrow 1 tens from here. So how many numbers are there? 3. These are 3 ones and 1 tens. 1 tens and 3 was 13. So and we can also replace this tens block with 10 ones block. Means 10 ones block will make a tens block. So look, count here. There are tens, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means when we put together 10 ones block, then we can make this tens block. So look here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10, these are 3. It means total will be 13, right? And now this number is 9. So now we can subtract. There is 13 ones. Now we can take away. Now we will take away 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have taken away 9 from this 13. So how many ones are left there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are left there. So we will write here 4. Now come to this block. Tens come in this tens column. So there are 3 tens is left because we have given 1 tens block to this ones. So now there are 3. But here what is here? But we have to subtract 6 from this tens. There are 3 tens are there, but we have to subtract 6. Still we cannot subtract 6 from the 3. So what will we do? What will this tens will do? This tens block will take borrow from the hundreds. So this is a hundreds block. So it will come here. Right. So this is a hundreds block and these are tens block. So can you tell how many tens block will make 100 block? Means 10. Okay. So 10 is this and 3 are this. These are 3. So now I am replacing this 100 block with 10. Okay. So look here, I am with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Look here, this is a hundreds block, means in hundreds block we can put 10 tens block. So look this, I am putting this at this, look at this, both are same shape, same. Can you make any difference with it? No. It means if we take 10 tens block, it will be hundreds, right? 100. So we can replace this 100. So we can replace this 100 with these tens. Yes. Why not? So I am putting it here. So look here. So these are 10 and these are 3. Means these are 3. Means now there is 13. In from this 13 we will take away 6. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So look here, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is left here. So we will write here what? 7. We will write here 7. Look at this, how many hundreds block are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 7 hundreds blocks are left here and we have to subtract 6. So I am taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right. So how many hundred will left? 1. 100 will left here. So we will write here 1. So when we subtract 669 from this 843, we will get means we can write like this, 843 minus 669 and we will get how much? We will get 174, right? So I hope you have understood this, how do we subtract the numbers.